So was it like when you saw the exam paper, you were like, yes, I know everything,
Yeah,
and yes, I'm
yeah,
going to
yeah,
ace it.
yeah, yeah. For paper one, my whole paper was finished within an hour. Yeah, just in 60 minutes, I solved all the paper. And for paper two, yeah, it took me like, to be honest, like I'll rate 5 out of 5 for all because it all contribute in every like a different way.
So hi, this is Jaspreet from Academically super duper happy because 91% of the people who were registered with Academically have cleared the KAPS exam. And with me right now is Jayshree Sharma. Many congratulations, Jayshree, on clearing the exam. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I'm feeling amazing. Like, yeah, after clearing exam, now I'm feeling like my dream is coming true.
Absolutely, like one step closer to the dream, right?
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
it's a beautiful feeling, and we are feeling just the same because we have been sort of with you in this entire journey,
Yeah,
although all the efforts were yours.
yeah, no, like I am feeling I'm fortunate that I joined academically because while solving the exam and paper, I was familiar with each and every question, and I was feeling like, yeah, I'm solving the mocks and all the questions were familiar to me. So yeah, my experience was really good with you.
So was it like when you saw the exam paper, you were like, yes, I know everything,
Yeah,
and yes, I'm
yeah,
going to
yeah,
ace it.
yeah, yeah. After solving 10 to 15 question, I was like, I know everything and I'll crack it. Like, yeah.
Knew it from the start. And how
Yeah.
long did it take you to finish the exam? Because I'm hearing really interesting answers to this question.
Yeah. For paper one, my whole paper was finished within an hour. Yeah, just in 60 minutes, I solved all the paper. And for paper two, yeah, it took me like 60 to 70 minutes again. Yeah. For calculations also, like all calculation were familiar to me. The main important point was I was really scared with the calculation, but all calculations was like thorough with me because of mock and practice. So yeah, it was all done in like 70 to 80 minutes. Yeah, for paper two.
Oh, that is so nice. So, like out of the two or three things that we had, the mock tests, the one-on-one sessions, the recall, like how would you rate them in order of your preference? Which one did you like the most?
To be honest, like I'll rate 5 out of 5 for all because it all contribute in every like a different way. So yeah, it really helpful to solve the mocks. And the important thing which I like is we can put some doubts in the like Discord app, so teachers keep on solving it, which really helps students to get more knowledge about that thing. Yeah.
Awesome. So, are you planning to celebrate?
Yeah, sure. I'm planning to celebrate it on weekend. Yeah.
Absolutely. So that is the thing now. When good things happen on weekdays, you plan it for weekends. You're like,
Weekend.
"Arey, let's wait a little more." Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Shri, for joining us, and we wish you all the luck and success.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I wanted to thank all the teachers who taught me the syllabus. Yeah.
We'll convey your wishes to
Yeah.
everybody
Thank you.
out there.
Especially Fizia ma'am, Femi ma'am, and Nancy ma'am. Everyone. Yeah. I should say everyone. Yeah.
Sure, we'll convey this to all of them. Thank you so much for joining us.